Good afternoon, dear students, and today we are going to discuss about our new lesson. That is, we are going to discuss about. In previous class, we discussing the addition. That is, next we are going to discuss about our additive inverse. Have you done your homework? Any doubt? Okay, good. That is, first we are going to discuss about our additive inverse. That is, additive inverse is we are going to discuss, that is, for example, negative 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. That is, we get 0. So this is the additive inverse of negative 4 by 7. This is the additive inverse of negative 4 by 7. That is, 4 by 7 is additive inverse of negative 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is the additive inverse of negative 4 by 7. Also, we can say that vice versa, that is, negative 4 by 7 is the additive inverse of 4 by 7. That is, when we add two rational numbers, then we get 0. Then we get the result as 0. That is, next we are going to discuss about an example. That is, for example, or another try this, the additive inverse of negative 3 by 9. Additive inverse of negative 3 by 9. What is the additive inverse of negative 3 by 9? That is, we get, what is the answer? That is, generally we can say that the additive inverse of p by 2 is negative p by 2. The additive inverse of p by 2 is negative p by 2. Is it? Yes. Then what is the additive inverse of negative 3 by 9? We get 3 by 9 is additive inverse. That is, the additive inverse of negative 3 by 9 is 3 by 9. Negative 3 by 9 is 3 by 9. That is, when we adding these two rational numbers, we get the answer as 0. We get the answer as 0. That is, next is, we want to find the additive inverse of negative 9 by 11. Negative 9 by 11. That is, the additive inverse of negative 9 by 11 is 9 by 11. Is 9 by 11. That is the answer. And next is 5 by 7. Next is 5 by 7. That is, additive inverse of 5 by 7 is negative 5 by 7. Answer is, the additive inverse of 5 by 7 is negative 5 by 7. And next we are going to discuss about a example 6. Someone walks 2 by 3 kilometers from a place P towards east. That is, Saval walks towards east is 2 by 3 kilometers. And towards east, and then from there 1 and 5 by 7 kilometers towards west. What will he be now from P? That is, first Saval starting from P and walks from P towards east 2 by 3 kilometers. Then Saval, from there, the Saval is walks to west is 1 and 5 by 7. That is, here is east, then this is west. Any doubt? Then This is the direction, that is 105/7 kilometers. That is how far from P7? That is 2/3 plus we take the negative of 105/7 because first 7 walks towards east, then next 7 towards west. That is, these directions are opposite. So here we take negative. That is 2/3 plus negative 105/7. Negative 105/7. That is, we can write it as 2/3 plus, here we get what we get, told by negative told by 7. Negative told by 7. Is it? Yes. That is, when we see these two rational numbers, the denominators are different. So for this addition, we take the LCM. That is, LCM is 21. LCM is 21. So we make the denominators as LCM. That is 3 into 7. That is 2 into 7 plus 7 into 3 and negative 12 into 3. That is 14/21 plus negative 36/21. That is, we get negative 12/21. Negative 12/21. Here is, that is, here is the LCM is 21. Then we get, here is what we get. We get 12 into 3. That is, here is we get 22. Not a 12. That is, when we adding 14 and 36. That is 14 plus negative 36 divided by 21. That is, answer is 22/21. Negative 22/21. That is 1 and 1/21. Negative of 1 and 1/21 is, that is, P, since it is negative, it means suffer at the distance of 1 and 1/21 kilometers towards west of P. That is, this negative sign indicate the direction, or that is towards west. That is, suffer far from P is 1 and 1/21. 1 and 1/21 kilometer far from P. That is, direction is towards west. Towards west. And next we are going to discuss about our subtraction. The subtraction of rational numbers. That is, subtraction is, Savida found the difference of two rational numbers 7/5 and 3/8 in this way. That is, there is an example, that is 5/7 minus 3/8. That is, we want to find the Savida's difference. Savida's find the difference of 5/7 and 3/8. That is 56 upon 40 minus 21. That is, get, what is the answer? 90/56. 90/56. That is, which way Savida find? That is, Savida finding That is, Savila take the LCM of 7 and 8. That is, she gets 56 and 7 into 8 56. So 5 into 8 get 40. 8 into 7 56. 3 into 7 21. Then answer is 19 by 56. That is, for the next one is further that for two integers a and b, she could write a minus b equal to a plus minus of ab. That is, a minus b equal to, we can rewrite it as a plus negative b. A plus negative b. That is, a minus b equal to a plus negative b. A plus negative b. Is it? Yes. That is it right? Yes. That is, when we take the difference of a and b, also same as a plus negative of b. And next one is, we want to find like this. That is 7 by, next one is find 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9. That is, next one is 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9. That means we can rewrite it as 7 by 8 plus negative 5 by 9. Negative 5 by 9. That is, this is the operation is subtraction. We take the operation in addition and we take the additive inverse of 5 by 9. We take the additive inverse of 5 by 9. That is, here what is the LCM? LCM is 63 or 72. That is, 72 is the LCM. And we get 63 plus negative 40. That is, we get 23 by 72. 23 by 72. That is, we can say that while subtracting two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted. Then we get the other, that is being subtracted to the rational number. That is the method. That is, first one try this is find 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. In subtraction, which way we find? We take the additive inverse of subtracting rational number and add to the first rational number. That is, first try this is 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. That is, we can write it as the LCM as 45. Then 7 into 5 we get 35 plus 2 into 9 we get 18. That is, we take the additive inverse. That is, we get answer is 17 by 45. Answer is 17 by 45. 17 by 45. And next one is 2 and 1 by 5 minus negative 1 by 3. 2 and 2 and 1 by 3 minus negative 1 by 3. Is it? Yes. That is here is 2 and 1 by 5. That is 2 and 1 by 5 means 11 by 5. 11 by 5 minus negative 1 by 3. That is, the LCM is 15. When we take the LCM of 5 and 3, we get 15. And we get 33 plus 1 by 3, that is 5. That is, we take the additive inverse of negative 1, that is we get 1. 1 into 5, 5, that is we get the answer as 38 by 15. 38 by 15. That means 2 and 8 by 15. 2 and 8 by 15 is the answer. 2 and 8 by 15 is the answer. And next is we are going to discuss about our multiplication. Multiplication process is a by b is a rational number into p by q. P by q is also a rational number. Then we want to multiply these two rational numbers. That means ap by b or a into p by b into 2. A into p by b into 2. That means we multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That is the process. For example, negative 3 by 5 into 2. That is, answer is negative 3 into 2, 5 by 5. There is 1 is the denominator, or 1 into 5 into 1 we can write. That is negative 6 by 5. Negative 6 by 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. And next one is find negative 4 by 7 into 3. What is the answer? Answer is negative 4 into 3 divided by 7. Divided by 7. That is, what is the answer? We get answer as negative 12 by 7. Negative 12 by 7. And next question is negative 6 by 5 into 4. Negative 6 by 5 into 4. That is negative 6 into 4 divided by 5. That is we get, what we get? Negative 24 by 5. Negative 24 by 5. That is the answer. And next is we find the try this. That is, try this is negative 3 by 5 into 7. That is, we get negative 21 by 5. First try this, answer is negative 21 by 5. And second one is negative 6 by 5 into negative 2. That is, we get negative 6 into negative 2 divided by 5. That is, we get negative 12 by 5. Answer is negative 12 by 5. Answer is negative 12 by 5. Answer is negative 12 by 5. That is the answer. That is the answer. That is negative 12 by 5. And next is we are going to, this is one whole number. Next we are going to discussing the multiplication of two rational numbers. Already we discussed when we get two rational numbers, we multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That is first one, try this is find 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. That is 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 is 3 into 1 divided by 4 into 7. That is we get 3 by 28. 3 by 28. That is the answer. And second try this is, what is the second try this? That is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 9. That is 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 9. That is we get answer as 10 by 27. 10 by 27. That is the answer. And next is we take, or next we are going to discuss about our division. Already we studied the addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers and multiplication of rational numbers. At last we are going to discussing about division of rational numbers. In the case of division, is it? Yes. Next one is we are going to discuss about division. For division, a by b divided by p by q. These are two rational numbers. Then we take the dividend reciprocal. That is, we take the reciprocal of what? Dividend. That is, and then multiply. That is a by b into q by p. A by b into q by p. That is, we know the process of multiplication. That is, we take the reciprocal of p by q. Reciprocal means we interchange the position of numerator and denominator. We interchange the position of numerator and denominator. That is a by b divided by p by q. That is a by b into q by p. We take the reciprocal of p by q. Is it? Yes. And for example, what is the reciprocal of negative 6 by 11? That is, reciprocal of negative 6 by 11 is negative 11 by 6. And next is negative 8 by 5. That is negative 5 by 8. Negative 5 by 8. That is the answer. That is the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. That is negative 5 by 8. That is 8. What is the reciprocal of negative 5 by 8? That is negative 8 by 5. These are vice versa. And we want to find the answer of 4 by 9 divided by negative 5 by 7. Negative 5 by 7. That is, we get 4 by 9 into, we take the reciprocal of negative 5 by 7. That is negative 7 by 5. That is, next step 4 into negative 7 and 9 into 5. Or otherwise you can write it as negative 7 by negative 5. These are same. That means negative a by b equal to a by negative b. So we can write it as negative 7 by 5. We take the reciprocal of negative 5 by 7 is, we can also say that 7 by negative 5. 7 by negative 5. That is negative 28 by 45. Answer is negative 28 by 45. That is the answer. That is the answer. And next is our try this. That is, what is our try this? First one is first one is 2 by 3 into 7, 2 by 3 into negative 7 by 8. 2 by 3 into negative 7 by 8. That is 2 into negative 7 divided by 3 into 8. That is, what is the answer? We get answer as negative 14 by 24. That is negative 14 by 24. That is, we can simplify. We can also simplify. That is, what is the answer? We can also simplify negative 14 by 24 as negative 7 by 12. Negative 7 by 12. That is, we take the HCF as 2. We divide negative 14 by 2 and 24 divided by 2. We will get negative 7 by 12. And next one is negative 6 by 7 into 5 by 7. That is, we get, what is the answer? We get negative 6 into 5 divided by 7 into 7. That is, we get negative 30 by 49. Negative 30 by 49. Negative 30 by 49. That is the answer. That is, so today I conclude my class. Stay safe. Bye.